Hello students, Standard 5th, English, lesson number 5, story, the 12th month. Now let us move to the next part of this lesson. Now, pick them quickly, Marokla, commanded March. Here commanded means what? They ordered. Marokla picked them joyfully, happily, till she had a big bunch. Then she thanked Months with all her heart and scampered merrily at home. Here scampered means a quick light run. Merrily means what? Happily. It is adverb. Helena and the stepmother wondered when they saw Marokla bringing the violets. They opened the door to her and the scent of violets filled all the cottage. Where did you get them? Asked Helena sulkily. Here sulkily means to express anger by remaining silent. That means even if she brought the violets, they are not happy with her. Helena snatched all the flowers and did not give even a single one to her sister. Here snatching means what? To pull out something without permission. The next day she called to her sister and said, "Go, Marokla, get me some strawberries from the forest." "Alas, dear sister, where could I find any strawberries in this hard winter?" said Marokla. "How dare you argue? Go at once and get me strawberries, or I'll kill you." The stepmother caught hold of Marokla and pushed her out of the door and shut it after her. Marokla went to the forest weeping bitterly. She started to weep bitterly and she had no choice. She had to obey her stepmother anyhow. The snow was lying deep and there wasn't a human footprint to be seen anywhere. That means it was there. Actually, snow was lying deep means what? It winter season. She wandered about for a long time, tortured by hunger and trembling with cold. At last, she saw the light she had seen the other day. Overjoyed, she went towards it. She came to the great fire with the 12 months sitting round it. "Please, kind sirs, let me warm my hands at the fire." Great January nodded. Means he allowed to warm her hands. Asked her, "Why have you come again? And what are you looking for here?" Looking for means what? Searching. "I am looking for strawberries. My sister Helena and my stepmother bade me bring some strawberries." Here bade means what? Commanded. "And if I don't, they will kill me. Tell me, fathers, tell me, please, where I can find them." Great January arose. He went over to the month sitting opposite to him. It was June, and handed the club to him, saying, "Brother, take the high seat." June took high seat upon the stone and swung the club over the fire. The fire shot up and its heat melted the snow in a moment. Moment means what? Within a short period of time. The ground was all green. Trees were covered with leaves. The birds began to sing. The forest was filled with all kinds of flowers. It was summer. The ground under the bushes was covered with white starlets. Starlets means what? White flowers. The starry blossoms were turning into strawberries every minute. They ripened at once, and before Marokla had time to think, there were so many of them that it looked as though as red carpet had been spread on the ground. That means Great January, June helped Marokla. "Pick at once, Marokla," commanded June. Marokla picked them joyfully till she had filled her apron full. Apron means what? The outer cloth which she has worn. Then she thanked the months with all her heart and scampered merrily at home. Scampered means what? Quick, light run.